I'd like to begin by wishing everybody a very happy new year and a happy Farmers' Day. It is an honor for me to come here and address you today in this auspicious occasion. Chingam marks the beginning of the harvest season, but it also honors the untiring efforts of our farmers and their tremendous resilience. Today's ceremony is an event, but it honors a process that the farmer deals with every single day of his life. And our farmers' innovation and resourcefulness deserve full praise. And we also remember the many generations of farmers who came before them. And today, as I congratulate our farmers, I also am concerned about them. I believe in them. I believe in their capacity to innovate. I believe in their intelligence. But their intelligence, their resourcefulness, their spirit requires a level playing field. They have given this country so much. They have given this country food security. They have given this country our independence in many different ways. And the Indian farmer and the farmer of Wayanad does not ask for much. And at the heart of what they want is fairness. A level playing field where they can compete with others. And today I say with sadness that our farmer does not have a level playing field. Our farmer does not play in a fair environment. We are not saying that there are no weaknesses in the agricultural sector. Of course there are. There is a procurement system. There are inefficiencies in the procurement system. The government should improve the procurement system. Instead, they are destroying the system. They are destroying the mandis. And this will have unimaginable consequences not only for our farmers, but for the middle class, for food prices, and for social and economic stability in the country. But my biggest problem with the farm laws is that they have been brought without any discussion with the farmers. They have been made without a discussion, without a question, without a conversation that would bring in the immense wisdom of our farmers. That is my advice to the government of India. Farmers are our biggest asset, they are not our enemies. Agriculture is our biggest strength and they are the only people who can transform agriculture. These laws are designed to bypass the farmer. Do not make that mistake. Embrace the farmer. Understand what he is feeling. Use his wisdom. As for myself, I am here to tell you that I believe in you 100%. You have helped transform India many times in the past. And you are the biggest instrument of any transformation of this country. So I salute you and I respect all the hard work that you do. I'd like to once again congratulate all the winners and wish everybody here
കൂടുതൽ വാർത്തകൾക്കും വിശേഷങ്ങൾക്കും ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത് ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക.